Behind me is the 2022 Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL. Let's go take a look. Up front, we have our dual propane tanks and our electric front jack. Our Wildwood X-Lite is gonna come standard with an outdoor setup. We're gonna have our griddle and our mini fridge. Above me, we're gonna have a 17-foot awning lined with LED lights and outdoor speakers. This Wildwood is gonna have 2 entry doors, one going directly into the restroom. Out back, we don't have anything too fancy, but of course we come with our spare tire. We're prepped for a backup camera, and you'll see this window up high. This is because this is a bunkhouse model. Here we are on the interior of this X-Lite. This X-Lite is an awesome entry-level camper with all the amenities you're gonna need on the interior and on the exterior. This has a total length of about 31 feet and 9 inches. As you can see to my left, we're gonna have a large super slide with the signature Versa Lounge that Wildwood and Salem are known for. As you'll see in this video, this Versa Lounge is a very versatile, obviously, seating arrangement which turns into a large bed as well. Our kitchen is going to offer tons of countertop space. This is a peninsula style kitchen, so as you can see, no shortage of room around here. We have a dual basin sink with a beautifully dark finished faucet and tons of storage above the sink and below it as well. This X-Lite is coming with a Greystone 3-top stovetop burner and a nice small oven. Above that, of course, our Greystone hood vent and our Greystone microwave. This Wildwood comes standard with the Greystone 12-volt fridge. This is a 12-volt fridge. This RV is also prepped to have solar installed on the roof or on the outside of the RV. A few features I want to touch on this X-Lite is we have a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, which is a great feature to have at this price point. We also have a 15K AC that's fully ducted throughout the coach. Behind me, you're going to notice the double-on-double bunks that make this a bunkhouse model. Behind me, we're going to see the Wildwood X-Lite and its entertainment center. Obviously, we have the graphic with all the features, but behind this, we're going to have a backer for a TV. We're also going to have a port so we can wire through to our consoles, which we can set in this cubby here. We have our Furrion stereo system that controls the speakers inside and out. And down below, we have our Greystone electric fireplace. This does emit ambient light, and it actually changes colors as well with the remote control. Here we are in the bathroom of the Wildwood X-Lite. In this model, the bathroom is at the rear of the camper, just offering a little bit more space. Like I said before, we do have a private entry door to the restroom. We're also going to have our Dometic foot flush toilet and our nice large shower, stand-up shower, rectangular at that. So pretty nice setup here in the restroom. The vanity is going to have a medicine cabinet built in. And a cool feature I noticed is we actually have a bungee that holds this door from coming out of place when we're in transit. This 263BHXL is going to have a queen size bed in the main bedroom. We're going to have wardrobe spaces on either side of the bed, as well as built-in cubbies for placing our phones. In those cubbies, we'll have outlets for chargers, CPAP machines, things of that nature. Guys, so in my opinion, this is a great entry-level camper. It has the heated and enclosed underbelly. It has the electric stabilizer jacks, not to mention this Versa Lounge that's unmatched from any other manufacturer. So if you're looking at the entry-level campers, take a look at this X-Lite. Whatever your next adventure may be, whether you're hiking, hitting the water, or hitting the trails, remember that the fun starts here.